Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Ethereum from Binance to your Trust Wallet for better security or easier access. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step. It's straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have both your Binance account set up and your Trust Wallet app installed and ready to go. Let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the Binance website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section, usually found in the top menu. From there, select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet to see your assets. Step 2. Find your Ethereum balance. Look for Ethereum, ETH, in your wallet overview. Click on it to proceed to the withdrawal page. You'll need to verify your identity if you haven't already. Binance takes security seriously, especially in 2025 with all the new regulations. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal details. On the withdrawal page, select the Ethereum network. It's crucial to choose the correct one, like ERC20, to ensure compatibility with Trust Wallet. Then, paste your Trust Wallet Ethereum address. You can find this by opening your Trust Wallet app, going to the Ethereum section, and copying the address from there. Double-check this address to avoid sending your funds to the wrong place. Step 4. Set the amount and confirm. Enter the amount of ETH you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits and accounting for network fees. Review the transaction details, including fees, and hit Withdraw. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for extra security. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After initiating the withdrawal, Binance will process it, and it might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Trust Wallet app to see your ETH arrive. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and enable security features like hardware wallets if possible. Fees can vary, so keep an eye on gas prices for Ethereum transactions. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.